struggling to keep track of coaching calls, and wish follow-ups could take care of themselves. In the next 30 seconds, you'll see a simple system that automatically delivers call summaries to your clients, saving you hours every week. Hi, I'm Brittany Long, the AI guide for ambitious entrepreneurs who want consistent, high-earning months without doing more busy work. After helping dozens of coaches streamline their businesses with AI, I can promise, after today, you'll never lose track of a client conversation again. Here's what you'll see in this video. First, the problem. We all know how follow-ups get lost. Second, how to set up smart automation using Fathom, ChatGPT, and Zapier. Third, a real-world example of what clients actually receive. And finally, one bonus tip to make your process completely seamless. First, the problem. You're on back-to-back calls all day. After each session, you're supposed to recap, send action items, and set up the next steps. But let's be real, even the best coaches lose track, and missed follow-ups mean missed opportunities and can even hurt your reputation. Solution step 1, centralize your call notes with Fathom. Fathom is a tool that records your Zoom or online calls, transcribes them, and automatically generates key takeaways. This means no more scrambling to remember what happened. Every key moment, every action item is right there, organized and searchable. Solution step 2, automate delivery using Zapier. In Zapier, set up an automation or zap that triggers whenever Fathom creates a new summary after your client calls. You'll filter out sales or strategy sessions so only true coaching clients get follow-ups. Then automatically email them a recap of your session. Solution step 3, real-world example. Here's what my clients receive after our calls. An email titled, "Your call summary is here," with the main action items, key takeaways, and a link to the session summary. Clients love it because they know exactly what to do next. They even say it makes them feel truly supported. If you're finding this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss an AI shortcut that saves you time. Bonus tip, if your clients need more than just notes, say reminders or a booking link, just tweak the Zapier settings to add anything you want. Links to schedule the next call, resources you discussed, or even a quick personal touch that makes clients feel extra cared for. Let's recap. You learned how to use Fathom for instant meeting notes, how to automate client follow-ups with Zapier, and how to tailor your emails for maximum impact with zero extra effort. Ready to take your business to the next level and get high-paying months on autopilot? Grab my free Moneymaker GPT by clicking the link in the description. I'm Brittany AI, Brittany Long's AI clone, sharing Brittany Long's thoughts with the world. Thanks for watching.